Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy hosting from Hostinger in 2026, step by step, even if you've never bought hosting before. By the end, you will have your hosting plan ready and connected to your website. Let's get started. Step 1, go to Hostinger website, right? And you can click Get Started or go to the website and select the hosting plan, right? You can buy a plan, right, for individual businesses, right? You can create up to 50 websites and everything. Buy a hosting plan, basically, right? You see different hosting plans here, right? And choose the right hosting plan. Hostinger usually offers single website web hosting, like one website, basic features, best for beginners, testing things, right? You have the premium web hosting, which is recommended, multiple websites, free domain, better performance, best value for most users. You have the business plan or business hosting plan, faster speed, more resources, good for growing sites. If you're starting, choose premium, right? And select your subscription period. You will see options like 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, 48 months. Longer plans means cheaper per month, right? And you can create or log into your account if you're new. You can sign up using email, Google, Facebook. Use a real email, important for account access. And choose a domain name. You'll get two options: register a new domain, use an existing domain. Many plans include free domain for 1 year. Alright? So enter your billing details, fill in name, basically email, country. Make sure every detail is correct, and choose a payment method. Hostinger supports credit and debit card, PayPal, other regional options. Pick what works for you. All right. Step 8, apply discount code, which is optional. Before applying, enter promo code if available. This can save you money. All right. Yeah. Step 9, complete the purchase. And then after you select the payment method and added everything, just hit submit payment. Congratulations, you now own hosting. Step 10, access your hosting dashboard. Sorry, let me go back to my dashboard. Go to the Edge panel or Hostinger dashboard. You can manage websites, domains, files, emails, etc. Right? And you can set up your website. Now you can, option 1, install WordPress like we talked in the last video. I go to auto installer and install WordPress. Option 2, you can use AI website builder. Create site instantly. Choose based on your goal. And you can connect domain if needed. If you didn't register domain, connect your domain via DNS. Okay? This makes your site live. And you can enable SSL. Inside Hostinger, activate SSL certificate. This gives you HTTPS or secure site. And then test, of course, your website. Check site loads, pages work, mobile version. Always test before setup. So the best hosting setup for beginners in 2026, if you're starting, go with the premium, 12 to 24 months, and use WordPress or AI Builder as a platform. This is the safe spot. Okay. Avoid choosing wrong plan, buying shortest plan, higher cost, wrong domain spelling, skipping SSL, not setting up website after purchase. So just to rewind one last time, go to Hostinger, right? Choose a plan, register domain, pay, set up website, and of course verify using SSL. Done. Buying hosting from Hostinger in 2026 is simple and beginner friendly. Once you have hosting, you're ready to build your website, launch your business, or start making money online. Focus on choosing the right plan, setting up your site properly, keeping things simple. That's how you start strong. Alright? So just to rewind once again, right? You need app hosting plan, right? And select, of course, the subscription period, and create, of course, or log into your account. And if you are new, you can create or log into your account. You can sign up using email, Google, Facebook. Use a real email. This is important for account access. And choose, of course, a domain name. You will get options like register a new domain, use existing domain. Many platforms include free domain for 1 year. So choose based on that. Okay, and hit search here. Right, enter a domain name before the extension, right? Like yourbrand.com, or you can use AI to generate a domain. Make sure every detail is correct, right? Of course, enter your billing details. Make sure to fill in name, email, country, right? And choose payment method, hosting or support, credit card, PayPal, or other regional options. Pick what works for you. And if you have a promo code, even better. Apply discount, right? This can save you a lot of money, right? And congratulations, now you own hosting plan, right? Consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.